Thank you so much for being here with us today. This is a great video. I'm super excited about it. It is the world's fastest accelerating electric longboard race.
Four-wheel drive.
It's called Quattro because it has 4 wheels, unlike any other board, which only generally has 2 wheels. Let's open this bad boy up. Wow. Hit me right in the face.
Come on.
Wow. If Batman had a skateboard, this would be thy weapon.
And look, this is the front.
How do you know?
I mean, the arrow right here.
Holy!
Yeah.
This is a full car. This is a heavy piece of machinery. So we've had this board for a while and we kept trying to figure out what are we going to do with it? What in the world? Go ahead. Wow.
Whoa.
All 4 wheels. So the thing about this is that it accelerates really fast and we couldn't figure out what to do. So then we decided, you know what? Daniel just got a new Harley. Let's race it.
Yeah.
But before we race the Harley, we're gonna race some other things that
Everything.
may or may not be quite as fast.
Because he got defensive yesterday. He
did?
was in the parking lot
He
like
was?
practicing his acceleration
Was he?
yesterday. He was, yeah. So I guess I should have practiced on this.
Yeah, probably. So who wants to ride this? I guess
And
you
I mean, I would like to ride it just for fun for a second.
if you ride it for fun, you're riding it for race.
I mean, someone's just gonna have to film if I ride it to race.
All right, I'll race it.
Wait, it's backwards, it's backwards, it's backwards.
Don't tell me what to do! Oh, wow.
Watch that acceleration, Aaron.
And I don't know how well it turns either.
Oh, okay, wow. Yeah, the turning is a little wide.
A little wide, it's a lot wide. I don't think you realize that. Hey, how are you guys doing on YouTube? YouTubers? Is there stuff on my face? I always think there's stuff on my face. Every time there's a camera pointed at me.
Gun it!
I really want to gun this thing.
No!
I'll do it.
It is like scary.
I'll do it, come on.
It's scary fast, like scary fast.
It is really fast.
I was gonna just full throttle it all the way down the parking lot, and then I just had thoughts of all of my skin peeled off.
He's not even gunning it.
No,
what a
he's
wimp.
not even at all.
Let me get on there.
But then you run into the fence.
There he goes. Oh!
This is definitely the fastest one! What?
All right, let me get on there real quick, please.
It's definitely the fastest one, like 100%. Gabe, have a wide stance.
Man, I know how to ride this.
Okay.
Look at him.
He thinks he's just like the coolest person in the world.
He's so confident.
I think I could beat it in a running race.
You could beat it on your feet.
Yeah.
All right, one more run, and then we actually got to race, so we don't kill the battery.
Luke said he just said to me you could beat it on foot.
Get
But I
ready.
get a head start.
No,
ready.
no,
I'm
no.
ready.
Head start.
I'm ready. This is my faster thing.
Okay, my faster thing, right.
So Luke,
So-
you're the first race on foot then.
Okay guys, so the first race, the Batman skateboard versus
Whatever that is.
the hyperactive prepubescent teenager. He is running, he's gonna give it his best and his all. This is the starting point right here at
No,
this
the
line.
black line, right there.
This black line
Yeah.
right here. And the ending line is Fetty Potter there at the end.
Troy's gonna do the go.
Go. There we
Yeah,
go.
that was beautiful.
I feel like I'm gonna get like maybe up to there, beating you, and then you're just gonna fly by me.
On your marks. Get set. Go!
Betty, who won?
Nigel.
Nigel won? Wow. Nigel won.
Well, it's faster than a teenager running on foot.
Dude, I thought I was gonna die.
Did you?
Yes.
You were pretty quick. You were faster than I expected.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, this thing is scary. Wow, this is an animal.
Isn't it crazy?
This is wild.
You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Set, go! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
My God.
Luke, are you okay?
I was not stopping, and I tried to jump off.
Betty, Luke is the winner.
Yeah. I tried to like jump off because it wasn't like stopping.
Yeah.
And worst idea ever. Foot is definitely bruised.
Yeah, Uzi, get up in the race, man.
I think I can move my shoulder.
You should go with them. So Fetty's gonna throw down and skate with them, and you should run with them three-way.
I can do that.
Blink Quattro's
I'll have you
undefeated
know, I'll
though.
have you know though, I'm the fastest man in the world.
Okay. All right. You saying Uzi?
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Dang! Wow.
That guy is the fastest man in the world.
I think if anyone's beating him on foot, it's me.
Yeah, right.
Fetty wants a rematch. Fetty, what are you gonna do differently? Oh, he's straight running. Oh.
Uzi over here would have won, but when it gets off balance, it cuts out, and one of the times it cut out, but then it cut right back really quickly, and then I was able to beat him. So if it cut out for like a second longer, then you would have won for sure.
3, 2, 1, go! Fetty totally cheated.
Fetty's run! No, you know what he runs like? He runs like Tom Cruise in the Mission Impossible movies. Fetty, that was the best thing I've ever seen.
Fetty full blown started running at about 2. It was like 3, 2, he takes off, 1, and then Nigel takes off.
Tell me that
Terrible.
Fetty does not run like Tom Cruise in the Mission Impossible movies.
Yeah, you do. I don't think so. Yes, you don't. Bear, you ready? You're gonna race this board, buddy.
So we're doing the bear versus electric board race?
Yeah, ready? Who is faster? A Sheltie puppy versus the world's fastest accelerating longboard.
Think your son's gonna perform well?
He always performs well.
That's good. Come on, Bear! Come on, Bear! Let's go! No!
You're fully gonna win! Should we give him another go?
I think you should give him another go.
You ready? We're gonna run and we're gonna beat the board. You ready? 1, 2, 3! Call him, Luke. Call him.
You're good. You're doing good, Bear. Yeah. Just finish strong. Yeah.
Yeah!
I've
You're
been
a
called
winner
up
in
to
my
bat.
book.
Me versus Nigel's car.
Okay.
I don't want to get run over. That's my concern here.
Just don't get ahead of him.
Hey, don't stretch her out, Nigel.
He's gonna lose.
What's up, boy? You want some of this? Huh?
Yeah, let's do this. What's up, guys? Welcome to my crib, MTV Cribs. This is my crib. So right here, we got some coins. You know, if you open this up,
So that's Nigel's
we
life
got
savings.
a portable charger. There's some headphones in here. Guess what? I got a fidget spinner for for the haters. Yep, that's my car. You guys want to peep underneath the hood? You guys want to see what I got packing? Look at this, look at this. All right, if you come over here, you see, we got this here, Gretty Cool Air intake. We got a lot of dirt. These are my 2 turbos right here, my 1 and 2 turbos. This is my 3rd turbo for when I need a super boost on people. I got some Akrapovic, yeah, man, that's my ride. Top of the line, top of the line.
Hey, Daniel, can I be honest with you right now?
Yeah.
I'm really scared.
Why?
I don't know.
3, 2, 1, go. And he got a head start. Come on, man.
I did not get a head start. That was completely fair and on time. Let's go. Let's go again.
Yes!
Cheating. Gabe's such a cheater, man.
You do what you have to do to win around here, all right?
I still almost got you.
Dude, terrifying.
Did he not go on purpose?
Who?
Nigel. He didn't go till. Or did Gabe just cheat?
Gabe just cheated.
Oh, because he went on like 3, yeah?
You're up.
Can I just like get a picture on there? Like, can I? Holy!
Go ahead. Go ahead. Start it up.
Oh yeah, baby. Right over there. He looks so tiny on it.
It's like as small as Carlos looks on a skateboard is how small Aussie looks on his bike.
Okay,
Kids, do
so
not try this at
are
home.
you gonna go real fast?
I'm just going to beat him.
You're gonna beat him.
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
He probably is.
All right, what are you predicting, Nigel?
He's gonna win, 100%.
He's gonna smoke you?
I'll get him on the start.
Unless he's timid. He looks a little timid. I put my money on Nigel. I'm sorry.
I think that the skateboard's gonna win.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he smoked him. Smoked him.
Wow.
Not even a contest.
Wow.
Contest.
You were totally wrong.
He didn't even try.
You were totally
like,
wrong.
I slowed down and I still beat him.
My final idea. We do one more. You start at the starting line. But Nigel, you get a full head start. You're going full speed by the time you pass. We'll see. We'll try it out.
Go, go, go.
Oh! Woo!
Oh my gosh.
No. Oh,
Let's end at the fence, Gabe. Go ahead and end at the fence. That's a great idea.
sorry. Nigel, you got it by like
Okay.
milliseconds.
Tell them that Daniel is the end. Stand like.
Yes, let's put Daniel right in the kill zone.
No, Daniel, you're on the other side of it.
Hey, he'll be okay. He survived
Why
worse.
sacrifice me?
Sacrifice me.
This is my favorite video we've ever made.
I'm gonna give you like a 3, 2, 1 when he's getting close.
Whenever you guys are ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, that's photo finish. I don't know.
Ooh.
See,
Dude.
Daniel.
I slowed down at the end again.
It was pretty close,
'Cause I
but
didn't
you
wanna
definitely won.
Wow.
Insane.
Can we just give a nod to how impressive that thing is, though?
Well done, boys. Well done. All right, Notification Squad, you know what to do. Leave hashtag Notification Squad in the comments below. Make sure that you are subscribed, like the video, share the video, and have your notifications turned on. And then we will pick one of you from the comments below who guess the top speed of this right here, there, though, skateboard, and we will send you a Notification Squad prize package. Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. We hope you enjoyed this video. We had fun making it. We want you guys, yes, you, to learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com and get everything you need. Skateboarding made simple. It will help you learn how to skateboard, as well as all the gear that you ever wanted. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and then remember to watch all the other videos in this playlist.
What do you think about this thing, dude?
It's incredibly fast.
And I think the battery's dying.
Think so?
It's not as fast as it was when we first started.
Oh, so we have to charge the battery and redo the whole video.
Yep.
Down.
Hey guys, we're doing a special sale for Veterans Day. From Saturday, November 10th through Monday, November 12th, you can get a Skateboarding Made Simple digital download for 15% off from brailleskateboarding.com. Check it out now and learn how to skate.